To bill goods with a purchase order, you must receive a purchase order and accept the commercial terms of this, such as price and quantity, amongst others. Moreover, you must have the validation of the good received through Arriba or by mail. For suppliers who bill through the MyPyme portal, they must visit the website from the Servicio de Impuestos Internos. There, click the button Ingresar a MyC. After that, ingresar con certificado digital. Select Servicios Online and Factura Electrónica. The steps to be followed are Sistema de Facturación Gratuito, Emisión de documentos tributarios electrónicos, Factura electrónica. After that, you will access a window in which will be loaded the information of your company, and you must enter the root of the appropriate society according to the purchase order. Select the cell Código Producto, and in type of product, you have to write the word QBLI. The code is the line number, which you can find in the purchase order you received from BHP. In the cell Nombre Producto, copy from the purchase order the description of the product. Then enter the quantity, unit of measurement, and price as indicated in the purchase order. Select the cell Referencias to reference a purchase order. Select the option Orden de Compra, and after that enter the folio number and date of issue of the purchase order. Click the button Validar y Visualizar and make sure the information is correct. If the information is right, click in Firmar and enter your password. Finally, if you want to see the document, click in Ver Documento, where the invoice will be shown in PDF. In conclusion, remember the following points. If your purchase order hasn't been validated, the invoice will be rejected. To bill, you must enter the data as indicated in the purchase order. To reference a line number, always write QBLI in the cell Tipo Producto. You can only reference one purchase order, otherwise the invoice will be rejected. In Método de Pago, select Crédito. The fields shown in this website are universal. No matter what ERP your company uses, you will have the same fields to enter the information.